Hey guys, so I just gave this to my sister. I made these DIY fidgets and she's gonna open it. So common, uncommon, rare, ultra rare, and legendary. Yes, let's open it. She's gonna pull the first one out and
Legendary.
it is a
legendary.
Okay, so let's open this up. What does she have?
A poppet.
What is it?
A DIY poppet.
That's awesome. Next one.
Looks
What
like
is
it's
this?
common.
A common. Okay. Let's see, what does she get in the common? What is it?
DIY tangle.
A tangle. Next one is a
uncommon.
And what is it?
Simple pimple.
What? What did you say? A simple dimple, you mean? Next up we have
ultra rare.
What did you get?
Infinity cube.
And what is the last bag? What is it?
Oh, it's a it's rare. Yeah.
And what is it?
A dough ball.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Just so you know, guys, I made all these today.
And she gave them to me.
By myself. Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys.
And bye.